counting down on the publish. Alright, we are live, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Your favorite DJ.
Alright, send me the link.
DeFi DJ Joe. What? We're live, man. We said we're going live. We are live.
Send me the exact, either short link or an exact link of the thing so I can put it out on all channels very, very quickly to get everybody in here.
Yep. Alright, everybody. While you're rolling in, I'm just sharing the link to the video so that can get out. And hello. So we're going to give some time for folks to roll in. That's always going to take a bit. And we will show you guys exactly that it is working. Some of you might need to clear cache, so I'll just show that real quick. So again, I'm just going to give it some time for people to roll in. Hey guys, welcome. Glad you're joining us. Like I said, we're a little hiccup on the Uni side and might need to clear the browser cache. Everything is great and people can claim their tokens. Trading's already active, so we're just giving some more time for people to roll in and we will show those directions. Make sure everyone is totally aware. So in this case, hey, glad you're with us, folks. So right here, just to be clear on what I'm showing there for my screen, I got Brave. It's based on Chrome, works with pretty much anything like this. In this case, just to be absolutely positively sure that everything is going to be going just fine and that you'll be able to get your tokens right away, you want to make sure you come in, clear your cache, easy enough to search for because there's a little search box there, and boom, you're looking for this clear browser cache. Make sure you clear that all out. You know what? Might as well go ahead and clear a bunch of stuff. Browser history, that's just the stuff in the taskbar, but go ahead and wipe that out. With that out, boom, boom, boom. I got a lot of stuff in there because I do a lot of browsing. So that goes down, and just to be sure, we will go ahead and reopen. There we are, Braves coming in, and we will go ahead and go to evault.finance. Now to be clear, you want to go to the home page, not the LP page, okay? And boom, got my MetaMask, but because I had logged out, I do need to log back in. Pardon me a second as I take care of that password here. Yes, I use all the security, I know. And I'm smart enough to take it off screen. Haha. So, 1 second here while I log back into MetaMask and show you how to claim those tokens. Did buy in myself, so that should be a nice, lovely, 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 lovely little payday. I hope all you guys are enjoying your payday. I'll be back here in just a second once I've logged in. There we go. Let me get my MetaMask password in. And, whoop, come on, there we are. Always a little slow on the last pass. So, there's that. Boom.
I want to make sure the community knows, make sure you add the address of the LP tokens to your MetaMask before you do this so that it shows up. You need that address in there. Add it manually. You will not be able to find it on the search bar.
That's what I'm going to tell you there. Is like, how about you make sure to drop that address, and I'll include those in my steps there, Iron. We got the chat here with Iron and Pika and Jared open, and that way we can make sure that's in. So I'm going to need to connect my wallet like normal. Bam. I got a tiny, tiny amount, so that's why it's showing so little. It's rounding off there. You guys probably have a heck of a lot more. And in this case, for that address on the LP tokens, you got that handy, Iron, for me? So I can make sure to show people how to add that in on MetaMask. So what he's talking about, to be clear, is how... Sorry, there we are. Is to show exactly what's in there. Remember, folks, MetaMask, it doesn't know about this new stuff, okay? So you got to make sure that when you open up MetaMask, you go over to Assets. Got to scroll all the way to the bottom. All the way down to your Assets. And there's Add Token. Click Add Token, and this is going to be a custom token because it's not a search. So you put in that, whoops. You put in the LP address. There we go. And I'll make sure to put that in the YouTube chat here so people can see that. That's where the LP tokens are. And so, boom. Oh, mine already says it's been added, so we're generally good there on my side. But just to be clear, that's what you need to do. You'd have to make sure that it shows the right token symbol. That should pop up. Decimal should also fill in correctly once that's in there. But just to be sure, that would be 18 on the precision. So with that in there, boom, it can go off. and bam, transaction, not too high, should be reasonable, and off we go. So, with that processing, I should be getting my tokens back. There you are. So, hey guys, welcome. Glad people have joined. Wow, 300, we're just shy of 360, probably just over that, given the delay on the studio here.
400 now.
Woo, 400. Holy mackerel! That is insane. All right, cool. So,
alrighty, guys. Make sure you
go
clear
right
your
ahead.
cache before you go back to the site. Clear the cache, close every last bit of your browser, and get back onto it. Force a reload, press F5, add that address to your MetaMask, you'll be good to go. We had a front-end bug. It was a front-end thing, meaning that nothing was compromised. Everything is good, everything is fine, it was just a visual bug.
Yep.
It was JavaScript, not back-end code.
Yep, that is all. So to be very clear, it is in there. The liquidity pool is not locked, to be clear. So anyone saying that it is locked, it is not locked. It is active. You can get in. You can go ahead and, no, liquidity is not stuck. Everything is fine. The tokens are claimable. Just showed that. It is totally to come in. So you guys can stop spamming that out. It is definitely working. The
Coyote, if you could chat into the chat what I sent you with the to claim your LP tokens, go to the site and add in the address.
Yep, guys.
And make sure all the mods keep reposting that, please.
I got no control over my mods. I'm an anarchist here, but they do like to help out.
Yeah.
So
Core put out a tweet saying that we bought 700 Encore in tokens with $5 of gas when we paused the trade. We did not do that.
Yeah.
It didn't happen. That wasn't us. We just paused it. We did not buy 700 Encore. The team did not buy 700 Encore.
Yep.
They just threw even more FUD.
Yep.
Which actually proved my point from yesterday.
Yep. Which looks like that was, given that it was bought up with 700 and done so quickly, I'm thinking you were right, guys, when you were saying it was a bot. That was just something waiting to come right in and grab it. So there it is. I just did the withdrawal from LP, so I did not get all of that, but in this case, I will go ahead
there was no insider buying. That is the official statement that we are giving out. There was no insider buying.
Okay, I'm also going to say is like how is buying on the open market insider buying, but you're right, there wasn't any. So none bought in there. This is run through. I did just show withdrawing from the LP. I just did that, so I had those there. Right here, you're talking about withdrawal from LP here. Sure, I can put that through. Again, I got tiny, tiny little amounts in there, and so that is definitely not going to be showing up there since it's counting in whole numbers.
Coyote, sorry to cut you off. We should end off the stream here so that people can play back the instructions.
That's true.
Once again, I want to say, clear your cache, close your browser. If you have to, on some computers, Chrome likes to store data directly on the computer. So quite literally, restart your computer if it's not working, okay? Yep. Make sure that the cache is completely, I mean, go into the Chrome settings, clear all cache for all sites, everything. Then go back on the site. Everything should be updated, should be good to go. We're going to end off the stream here. Everybody that's in here, rewatch our instructions, and you'll be able to claim your LP. If there are any other issues, you can always contact us on Telegram, Discord, and add us on Twitter.
Certainly. You guys go ahead and drop. I'm getting a lot of requests to show it again. I'll just go ahead and run through it one more time, the clearing the cache, the clicking it, so that way people are satisfied there. But by all means, you guys are very busy and have a community to attend to. So I'll just do one quick more rundown to be absolutely sure, so everyone can see that. So to be clear, I was saying, want to make sure you clear your settings, clear your cache in your settings, I should say. So come in, cache, bam, see the clear browsing history, want to make sure you select that. Don't need to care about browsing history. Cookies, not too relevant, but why not clear those? And cached images and files, clear all of that. And you'll also want to close your browser normally. If I do that, I'm going to have to log back into MetaMask, so pardon. And when you come back in, again, and Iron, remind people, they need to go to the home page here for claiming, for the initial claim, but they're getting their LP tokens on the LP page. Is that right?
Yes, the reason why we paused the buys is because Uniswap, in itself, the swap page stopped working completely in terms of it could not calculate the fee. So about maybe, I'd say 5% of people were able to get through and buy. The rest of the people were getting an error. This error was sent to me over 550 times by you guys. We saw the error, we paused it for a second, we fixed the site, we got everything back up and running. There was no insider buying.
Well, I'm just going to point out there, guys, is in this case, no insider buying. On top of that, look on the market, point out there, okay, you can go if you're just going to spam and not even have a meaningful conversation, alright? So, yeah, you're just out. Get rid of you. Thank you. Be gone. Off you go. So, there we are. We welcome reasonable questions. We are happy to give explanations, but if somebody's just going to pull up and screw this, there's no point. So, yeah, there's no rug pull. There is no dev buying. I mean, look at how are you going to rug pull on something with locked liquidity, all right? That's just not happening. So, again, everything is not still paused. Everything's working. Anyone saying it's paused, anyone saying that there's any sort of problems, guys, again, you need to clear your cache. You need to make sure you go to the LP page. You need to make sure that you execute the claim button there to make sure you get your LP tokens. If you do not have them added to your MetaMask wallet already, then go there. For one, make sure you claim them. Make sure you have the LP token in your MetaMask wallet so you can actually see them. Once you guys actually see them, bam, you are good. So with that in there, we can go ahead and see, boom, you can come into the site and stake if you want, and go ahead and prove the max, and there, right there is my LP token. See, I was able to pull them out, I was able to claim them on the LP page that I just pasted in there. Remember, evault.finance/LP claim button. With that, you can come right back and go ahead and stake and be able to place those in, and off it goes. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the staking. I just showed you the claiming. That functions, works right now. And we are staking. Off that's going to go. I'm sure things are a little lagged right now because, the network is probably a bit congested from all this activity. So with that going through, we'll confirm that happens. Bam, that happened. And in just a second here, we'll have that clear up, and you will see that my tokens are staked. So, yep, everything's working. So, there you are. See? Everything's working fine. Everything is functional as far as being able to claim on the LP page. Everything is functional for being able to stake. And we are just having that run right now. Let me make sure the transaction completed. Be sure. There's the approval. Cool. Now doing the stake. Be absolutely sure. Boom, that's going in, and off it goes. 1 second here. Always takes a little while, always a little annoying, at least on the MetaMask side. And bam, there we go. We got them staked. So as you can see, everything does function. It all works. There we go. Pardon as mine is a little low. I'm going to be updating, but bam, it functions. So, Iron, you're still here. Pika, you're still here. Anything else you would like to say? I know you said you needed to go, but we're about to wrap up here to save some time because we're all very busy. There we are. There is my token staked. There is my claimable ENCORE. Anything you guys would like to say?
That is it. Just everybody in here, if you guys missed anything that we just said on the instructions on how to claim your LP, just rewatch the video of the stream that's about to get uploaded as soon as we end it. Also, when it's, let's see, when I claim doesn't appear in my wallet, there can be congestion in the network, which could take some time.
Yeah, there could be some congestion in the network. Also, want to be very clear here, when people are saying it's not appearing in your wallet, remember that you need to add the token, all right? It's not popular enough just yet, and usually LP tokens don't get added to MetaMask anyway. So, recall, that means that you have to bring up MetaMask, you have to go to the Asset tab, scroll all the way to the bottom, take the address that I just pasted in there, add that in. Now, I already have it, so it's going to tell me that it's already added. When you add that in, should come up with the symbol automatically, should fill in the decimal precision for 18. Make sure that matches, and then go ahead and click next. Like I said, mine's already in there, but I should be able to take it out if... Yep. Can I remove this one? Yes, there we are. I can hide that and show you again adding that back in. So here we are, adding custom token, boom, paste that, picks up the name. It's a generic one, I know. You could always edit that if you want. So there you are. I'll even call it ENCORE ETH LP. Bam. Oh, pardon, it has to be under 11 characters or lower. Meh. Probably no spaces. Alright, well, my mistake there. I was not counting my numbers. So, there we are. Next. Bam. In there. Add the tokens. We're good. So, sorry everyone. Just wanted to make sure I was catching up people that remind that, because again, a lot of questions that wasn't showing up. Do you want to say something? No? Okay.
Quite literally, that is it. Just, get it uploaded as quickly as possible so we can start, everybody can start sharing the video and all that, because we need as many people to know about this as possible.
It's already up. It's already uploaded. It's already live. It gets archived automatically. Same link. Send it out now. It is all ready to go. So there we are.
Alrighty,
great. Fantastic. I'll let you guys go. Thank you, everyone. Pardon, this is going to be a short one. Just have a lot of stuff to get to, but since there was a lot of confusion and people wondering what was going on, wanted to get this stream out there real quick. So again, thank you everyone for helping each other out. Thank you for answering the questions and the mods in there. Thank you for jumping on the FUD just spamming through. Again, sorry it's short. Everyone's very busy, but you guys had a need. There was a cry. We came forth and helped. So enjoy the trading, folks. Enjoy the funds coming in. This is a huge launch. Should be very profitable for everyone. All right? Good day.